Robert Montague, the chairman of the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, finds himself in a precarious position in his St. Mary Western constituency. Historically, Montague has been a formidable figure at the local and constituency levels and within his party. In the 2020 general elections, Montague showed his prowess by winning all 5 divisions within St. Mary Western. However, the 2024 local government elections was a stark reversal. Although Montague did not appear on the ballot, the JLP suffered losses in 3 of 5 divisions, most notably in Gale and Boscobel. This decline has prompted analysts and political strategists to scrutinize whether these results are an anomaly or vulnerability. Montague first won the seat in 2007 by defeating the PNP's Delano Franklin with a margin of 767 votes. His political journey took a downturn when he surprisingly lost to Jolly and Silvero in 2011 by just 227 votes. Montague made a remarkable comeback in 2016, reclaiming his seat with an increased vote count and an impressive margin. The most recent general election saw Montague returning to what could be considered normal voting numbers for his constituency in 2020. However, he still managed to secure a significant margin. Questions now linger about whether the trend observed during the local government elections in 2024 will carry over into decision 2025.